In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for Stripe in just 5 minutes. This process adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your account remains protected. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the page where you'll enter your account information. Make sure you have yours ready. Enter your email address and password into the appropriate fields. It's important to always keep these credentials secure. If your password is strong, great. If not, consider updating it later for increased security. Once your credentials are in, click on the Sign In button again to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your Stripe dashboard. Head over to the Home section if you're not already there. In the upper right corner, you will notice a settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where most of your account configurations will be found. From the drop-down menu, select and click on Profile. You'll be directed to a page where you can manage your account settings more extensively. Now focus on the two-step authentication section, which should be listed under your account settings. This is what we'll configure to enhance your security. Click on Add Authentication Method. This step is crucial as it sets up a way for Stripe to verify your identity. A new set of options will appear for you. You can generally choose between using an authentication app or receiving text messages as your authentication method. Each option provides a similar level of security, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. For example, if you have a smartphone, using an authentication app can be a quick and robust method to authenticate. Once you select your preferred method, Stripe will guide you through the setup process. For an authentication app, you'll typically need to scan a QR code or enter a key into your app. If you opt for text message verification, make sure your phone number is up to date and correct, since this will be the way Stripe sends you security codes during future logins. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Should you encounter any difficulties during this process, remember that Stripe's support resources are available to help troubleshoot. And there you have it, two-factor authentication is now set up for your Stripe account, providing enhanced security for your financial data. This little effort can significantly boost your account safety, protecting your sensitive information from potential breaches. By enabling this feature, you've taken a critical step in safeguarding your online financial operations. Thanks for watching.